ATEM Power 100 watts portable solar panel, monocrystalline solar cells, foldable suitcase solar charger compatible with generators, power station for RV outdoor camping. Perfect compatibility. This portable solar panel is designed to charge ATEM power station, sold separately, simply by connecting the Anderson plug, but it can also charge other power stations with 4-to-1 solar adapter cable in the package. ELECAENTA 120 watts portable solar panel for power station, foldable kickstand monocrystalline solar charger with PD 45 watts USB-C/DC/QC 3.0 for phones, tablets, IPX5 waterproof for outdoors camping off-grid. High conversion rate. Togo Power 120 watts solar panel for Jackery/EcoFlow/Bluetti/Goal Zero solar generator and USB devices, IP65 waterproof portable foldable solar panel with USB ports, for outdoors camping road trip off-grid. The portable solar panel has 24 watts USB QC 3.0 output and 45 watts USB-C output to quickly charge your phone, tablet, power bank and other USB devices. So it is ideal for camping, traveling, power outages or emergencies. Made of well-built monocrystalline silicon. An important specification of this solar panel is a conversion efficiency of up to 24%, which is one of the highest available. It is a ready-to-go solution for the outdoor off-grid.